Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the monitor down and unplugging it. That removes live risk and lets capacitors bleed off for about 5 minutes. Once safe, remove the stand and back cover with the correct screwdriver and keep screws labeled. Now locate the check signal cable, usually a ribbon or coax between the mainboard and the LCD panel. Visually inspect pins, tape, and connector housing. Do this first because a bad mechanical contact is the most common, fixable issue. Once you see the connector, gently unlock ZIF clamps and slide the ribbon free. Use 90% plus isopropyl on a lint-free swab to remove debris. Alcohol evaporates fast and prevents corrosion. Inspect the cable for kinks, broken traces, or exposed shielding. If damaged, replace the cable because intermittent shorts cause flicker. Reseat the cable straight and fully, lock the clamp, and reattach just enough of the cover to power up for a functional test before fully reassembling. If cleaning and reseating fail, replace the check signal cable with the exact part number or a verified compatible spare. Cables often look similar but differ in pinout. Make sure routing is strain-free and secure the cable with small clips or Kapton tape to prevent future movement. If problems persist, isolate the fault by testing with a known good mainboard or panel and record LED blink codes or on-screen errors. That narrows whether the cable, board, or panel needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.